Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access the dictionary on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Apps tab, and you can find the Apps tab by pressing on the Apps icon on the left. And then we're going to press on Dictionary. And here you are already in the dictionary, you can start looking up. But before you do that, make sure that you have a dictionary actually downloaded. So you can do that by going to the three bars icon on the top right, then select Dictionary Downloads. And here are going to be all of the available dictionaries. And just select the one that you want. You can also import dictionaries, so support adding third-party dictionary files. There is a tutorial. So I'm going to download this English dictionary, and I'm just going to wait for it to download. So there we go. Now the dictionary is downloaded. As you can see, there's a trash icon instead of the download icon now. This means if you want to delete the dictionary, just press that. But now if we return to our dictionary and I look up something, for example, let's just say apple. There we go. I press search, and here as you can see, it works. So you have all of the definitions of apple, basically how a dictionary works. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.